not talking about a gourmet dinner. There's no wining and dining here. Instead, you're seeing a wake of vultures tucking into what might be their only meal for 2 weeks. So, what are vulture restaurants? Why are vultures on the verge of extinction? And why are vultures so important? The Scavenge is on as we explain all about vultures. You're probably familiar with vultures. They're big and they usually scavenge for their food. But do you know there are 23 species divided into 2 groups? There are New World vultures and Old World vultures. And astonishingly, they aren't as closely related as you might think. The 2 groups evolved separately and developed similar features. This is known as convergent evolution. It's why birds and bats have wings but aren't the same species. But all vultures have wide wingspans, so they can spend long periods of time soaring above the ground looking for food. And their sharp, hooked beaks help them rip apart meat. But there's a problem. I know it. Vulture populations are becoming smaller and smaller. Can you guess who's to blame? Ugh, humans. Some are poisoned by eating livestock that received medicine. Others are killed by poachers who don't want the birds to give away their locations. And losing their habitat and the illegal trade of their body parts are threatening vultures with extinction. So why are vulture restaurants helpful? Well, landowners can place a large number of dead carcasses for the vultures to eat. As soon as one vulture sees it, the party starts. Other vultures will quickly understand that food is available. Then the feast begins. It's a win-win for the landowners and the vultures. The vultures can eat, especially in times of scarce food, and the landowners can safely get rid of unwanted carcasses, which stops diseases from spreading. So the restaurants are a haven for vultures. The food is poison-free, and they help vultures that are roosting. And the crazy thing about vultures is they can eat rotten meat. They have incredibly tough immune systems, which means they can eat decaying and even infected meat without getting sick. And this ability plays a crucial role in our world. If we didn't have vultures, rotting animals would decay, and that could make other animals, including us, sick. So just by living and eating carrion, they are doing us all a huge favor and protecting life on Earth. So, vulture restaurants may not seem appetizing, but they're helping the vultures and us. Vultures aren't dangerous to humans, and they need our help as much as any other endangered animal. By helping them, we're helping ourselves. They can eat rotten meat and they're helping us stay healthy. That's what vultures do, and that's what makes them crazy creatures.